right, very briefly, Mrs. Thorne, you injured your back and you consulted with the defendant, who is an attorney, with regard to suing whoever hurt you. You'll tell me about that in a minute. According to your complaint, you signed a retainer agreement with him. The matter was ultimately settled for $12,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
And you got less than $2,000.
Yes, Your Honor.
Out of the $12,000 settlement.
That's right.
So first tell me, how did you injure your back?
The manager of our building shot a bullet through my bedroom wall. And I had just bent over to put some sewing things away, and there was an explosion over my head. And I went like this. I didn't know where it was coming from, and fell into the closet door and hurt my back and shoulder.
You were lucky you weren't killed.
Yeah, I traced it one time. It would have gone right through my throat.
So you were lucky.
So I was lucky.
Okay.
Wasn't my time.
And then, how did you find the defendant?
Through a friend. He was recommended to me through a friend. And I went there with my son to ask him if I had a case. And he said, yes, I did. So I said, how much do you think the case would settle for? And he said, $12,000, $13,000. So I said, I would get that. He said, no, you would get $5,000 or $6,000. So based on that, I signed an agreement with him, which he never signed. My signature's on here. He never signed it. He told me to go to Citizens Medical Group. I went there and...
Did you have your own doctor?
No, I didn't.
You didn't have a doctor?
No.
Did he ask you whether you had a doctor?
No, he just said that he works with Citizens Medical Group, so...
You should go to Citizens Medical Group.
So I should go there. And I started treatment right away.
What kind of treatment? With a chiropractor?
3 times a week. Well, in the beginning, the first 2 times, I got ultrasound, massage from the girl, and hot packs. That was the first 2 times. After that, I just got the hot packs. But they continued to charge me for the ultrasound and massage. So after that, we had the deposition. I never saw Mr. Mazza again after I signed the contract. He didn't show up at the deposition. He was not at the arbitration. He settled my case. I didn't know about it. I had no idea he had settled the case until I got a letter from the other side's insurance company. And I wrote him a letter. I said, I had no idea you were closing my case. You were settling it. You know, you didn't call me. I haven't heard from you. The doctor's bill is incorrect. And it was settled.
Could I just have those 2 documents that you gave me? All right. Now, and I want to see, Mr. Mazza, I'd like to see your retainer agreement with the plaintiff, please.
The original retainer agreement, Your Honor?
Yeah, I want to see the original retainer agreement. When did you receive yours?
I got it the same day. He made a copy and handed it to me.
Is there any reason, Mr. Mazza, why you didn't give her a fully executed copy of a retainer agreement?
I believe I did.
No, you didn't. You only gave her one with her signature on it.
I see what the court is holding, Your Honor, but I do believe that she did, in fact, get an executed copy.
My son was with me. Did he sign the copy, or did he give me with that?
Just a second. I want to read this over. Well, Mr. Mazza, this indicates that your fee is 33 1/3% of the gross recovery if settled without filing suit or demand for arbitration, or 40% of the gross recovery if suit is filed or demand for arbitration is made.